Okay, today let's try our mini stick steer loader, and this is a diesel engine type, and we also are making the electric stick steer loader for this model, and we can show you later. Okay, let's start. This handle, this joystick will control it up, down, and lifting. Okay. Okay, and this left and right will control the bucket. Okay, lowering. Okay, let's get it up. And you see, this is all hydraulic pilot control, so the action, the operation is very smooth. Okay. Okay, then we're down this lifting arm. Okay, let's stop it here, and then we will turn again. Okay. So the moving is very smooth because it's the hydraulic control. Okay. Let's move forward a little bit. Yeah, very smooth. And then we will move backward a little while. Good, very smooth. Okay, very easy to operate it. Then we will roll it back. Very good. Okay. Remember, this is a diesel engine product, and we also making the electric mini skid steer loader as well. Contact us for further information.